Torn apart by love. Understanding deep emotional conflict. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an emotional and complex topic in the English language. The phrase, torn apart by love. This phrase is a powerful expression of deep emotional turmoil and conflict, often used in literature, movies, and everyday conversations. We'll explore its meaning, use, and how it reflects human experiences. So, let's get started. Torn apart by love refers to the intense emotional pain and conflict one experiences due to love. This could be because of unrequited love, a difficult breakup, or any situation where love causes more pain than happiness. The phrase vividly describes the feeling of being pulled in different directions by one's emotions, highlighting the depth of suffering love can cause. This phrase is commonly used in literature, songs, and movies to describe characters' struggles with love. For example, in a tragic romance novel, a character might be torn apart by love due to loving someone they cannot be with. In songs, this expression conveys the singer's deep emotional turmoil and heartache. These examples help us understand the phrase's emotional weight and its impact on storytelling and expression. When using torn apart by love, it's important to convey a sense of deep emotional conflict. It's suitable in contexts where love causes significant pain or struggle, such as discussing a difficult relationship or expressing personal feelings in a diary, a letter, or even therapeutic settings. It's a powerful way to communicate the intensity of one's feelings and the complexity of love. The phrase, torn apart by love, touches on a universal human experience, the intersection of love and pain. It reminds us that love, while a source of immense joy, can also lead to profound pain. This duality is part of what makes love such a complex and rich experience, worthy of exploration and understanding. Thank you for joining me in exploring the meaning and depth of the phrase, torn apart by love. It's a powerful expression that captures the complexity of our emotions and the experiences that shape us. I hope this discussion has enriched your understanding and appreciation of the English language's ability to convey deep emotional states. Until next time, keep exploring and expressing your emotions through the beauty of language.